If you did, now read the question and answer.
إن شاء الله. Let Mr. read the one for this one.
What? Did you answer this one before?
Okay, Mr. What? No, I didn't.
Yeah.
Okay, when most, I think, no, I didn't do this.
It?
Okay, metaphorically, the speaker sees his beloved as a source of.
Do you use my share or your PDF?
Yes, Mr. I can see the PDF.
Would you use mine?
Yes, using yours.
Okay, you can tell me to go to text.
Okay.
Good idea.
Okay, when must I wink then to win?
Now, your time. How does he portray or see?
Okay, Mr. I think it's going to be.
There is no evidence for this.
Yes.
Or as a source of light, images of light. When to unseeing eyes, your shade shines. See? Light to see.
Yes.
So he mentioned a lot about to see. When I wink, then do mine eyes. So just like light to see. So it's about love, of course. That's why. So what is most explained? Number two.
Okay, when the speaker says that his eyes view things unrespected, line 2, he means. He means he sees without noticing or observing. He feels contempt for what he sees. He cannot see because his eyes are closed, or his love has robbed him ability to see. So I think it's D.
Don't think so. Must read again.
Okay, Mr.
That is means he unrespected to see anything else except her.
Yes.
So when I sleep in dreams, they look on you. So he sees without noticing or observing anything else except his beloved. But how he feels contempt? He cannot see because his eyes are closed. That's what say. I view things unrespected. I don't respect the thing. Didn't mention the point.
Yes.
His beloved has dropped him.
slows down.
Yes.
No.
He sees without noticing anything else. Now, of course, this one does not make sense.
Still, I think it's one only.
How one only, my friend? How?
Still, I think
He
it's most.
mentioned that he sees her in sleep when I sleep, and the darkly bright in the dark directed. In dreams, they look on ye, my eyes look on ye.
Okay.
In the letter number three, it's correct. They have not seen one another sometime. So we must have three. So that means the DR.
D or E. Still, I think it's E.
So letter E. So number two is mentioned. They were in love long ago, but no longer see one another.
Yes, I think.
No,
Or was that Y? It's the
because
same thing as D.
they do not meet. Speaker never suggests that his love is returned.
Oh,
That means number three only. Imagine. This is a question. It's about the whole poem. Can you conclude? So do not be in a hurry and check every evidence, right?
seems yes.
Number four. It's a question about paraphrasing. Well, so
Yes, Mister. Uh,
do we have this comparison? Your ghost that I see in the darkness is more beautiful.
no,
Which way is wrong?
B is wrong as well.
And D is wrong.
Yes.
Remember, it's a paraphrasing. We need the same meaning.
Yes.
Look for this, how beautiful your image looks. So your image looks beautiful to me in my sleep. She says that in my sleep.
Mm.
I said in the lines, in my sleep. Think how much more beautiful you would be in the light of day. Look to the clear day, the light day, with your much clearer light. When to unseeing eyes, your shade shines more. That means I see you much clearer when you are in the day. It's a clear day. So this is means be paraphrasing.
Mm.
Yes or no? But he didn't mention about the other people were not too blind to recognize him. This is part, the half of the answer correct. This part correct. But this is part he didn't mention the other people. So letter C, not mentioned. And how is it think here? You have never thought you were beautiful. They didn't mention that. So the half of the answer is wrong. Do you imagine? So be careful about phrase or a clause or a sentence not mentioned. Half of the answer is wrong. So literally, come on, my friend. Now it's your turn.
Which literary element does the poet use most extensively in the sonnet?
Can look if you wish. So clear use of no contrast. No contrast.
Yes.
You mentioned about sleep, day, night, dark, shine, contrast. She mentioned about that. The clear day and then dark and then when I sleep and then nights. Look between nights and the days. Look between sleep and dreams and clear day in the living day. See in the living day and then night. So we have contrast. We don't have anything about hyperbole or overstatement or over exaggeration, not mentioned. You know, parody, just like imitation of other styles of poets or writers. He didn't mention other writers here. Did he mention anything? Did he allude or use the allusion for other writers or poets? Didn't mention that. Do you have any as
Yes.
or like simile, evolution? No,
No.
contrast or paradox, but we don't have. So contrast, I believe. Now, my dear, the next.
Yes.
Well,
Yes, Mr.
your turn. Why? Find the evidence for the answer.
Yes, can you go back to the text?
We have number 11, okay? Now, let's make it one by one. Speaker does not find her truly beautiful, but he mentioned that she find her as beautiful. Yes or no?
Yes.
He mentioned this one when in dead night, your fair and perfect shade. So that is means it's a shade. So I don't see you perfectly. It's not clear because it's in dead night. Through heavy sleep on sightless eyes, I don't see too much. He didn't
Yes.
mention that he does not find her truly beautiful. Supported. She has no existence outside the speaker's imagination. Do we have that? Did he say that directly?
Yes.
He didn't mention.
No.
The beloved is dead, and here goes to Hans. Where is the Hans ideas?
There is no.
I'm looking for evidence for the answer, that's all. She is under magic spell. Did he mention any magic or magician or spelling? No. But her image is hazy because it's a shade. Because he
Yes.
sees her only in his mind eye. So it means hazy. It's unclear to see, as I said, in perfect shade. And her image is a shade. So they see that picture. So it's literally has ideas. Because he is in his sleep. So he sees only in mind's eye. That's why, as we asking you, Joseph, about the idea in the lines, find what is not supported. Try again. So go to 12, 13, 14. Rhyme, restate, summarize, do not rhyme. 12.
Yes.
Now, your turn.
Hamster.
They form a rhymed, yes. You know rhyme?
Yes, I know rhymes.
Here, here. So we have. Does he restate and summarize the main idea? And what is the main idea? In all days or nights to see until I see you. So he just like repeats. And the nights
Yes.
and days when dreams. do show you. So that's the same idea. So it could be summarized. So number two, we have a problem. Is three or not? They do not rhyme with any of other lines. Check. Do we have anyone about here? Check. We have.
No.
We have. It's already we have here for C and C. But about here, he said do not. No, it's rhyme. So no three. So three no. Three no. Of course, not one only. And one and two, three no again. So it's letter D. That's what Yusuf has.
Yes.
Remember, the question is about accept what is mentioned or not.
Yes.
Now, of course, it must be C.
Yes.
Mentioned a lot about sightless, see, not clear. They mentioned eyes, so sense of sight. Number nine. Well,
So I think it's going to be
and go again if you wish.
Kempster. Okay, Kempster, I understood it.
Now, what is your best answer?
I think it's E.
Wrong. He didn't
Then
mention.
it's
Did he mention people, other people, or he's talking about her
no,
own?
no. Okay, Kempster, then it's C.
So it's letter C.
Yes.
Always find evidence for the answer. Remember the test about content, not about something in memory. We don't test your hypothesis or your assuming or your inference. Something already evident. Now, my dear, the next. Good questions. It's the text. Now, the question first.
Yeah, which quality in this setting brings out the reflective tendency in others?
What to read?
Miss Mister? Okay.
ماشي. ماشي. Now it's your time. What is the quality in this setting? Now what's your answer? Yusuf, what are you doing, man? Hello?